my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your mama and them, because we litty old chill. Without further ado, this is a purchase from the Gates. I've been showing the Gates some love. Little love. Just a little love. They've been treating your girl good so far. So far, no issues, no problemos, no nothing. Because Allie is Old Faithful. I would never cheat on Old Faithful, but lately they ain't been treating her right. Alright. Handy dandy scissors. I had to do it. Had to do it. Because I don't have one of these, y'all. I had to get me a Speedy monogram, and I believe this is in the size 30. The way that they folded this, it made it look like a stop sign. Put in the red light. Stop line. That's old school. Yes, I believe this is in the size 30. And I got it for a pretty decent price. I want to say it's under $25. But some people are like, well, if you get something under 50, the quality is going to be horrible, this and that. I don't care. I feel like regardless if you have the real deal, something expensive, something not, it depends on how you take care of your purse. Like, it really depends on how you take care of your purse. If you're hard on purses, regardless where you got it from, how much it costs, it's going to be, you know. Now, this might be a dead giveaway because I think it's not this bright, if I'm not mistaken. But, you know, I don't care. I don't care. It does come with the purse strap. They got the redness on the side, too. It does say right there, the Louis Vuitton, both sides. Y'all, this is in the big boy. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can. I'm at my nail table, y'all. So yes, this is in the big boy monogram. This is in the size 30 with the gold hardware. The little pin buttons right there, it says Louis Vuitton on them. So yeah, the glazing don't really bother me. You know what they say, this is the Fachetta. It is a little light, which they usually say if you put, what type of oil is it? Olive oil, darken it, or, you know, let it get out in the sun. I don't care. This is a little red. I don't care. I don't. I'm going to push with it regardless of whatever. Zipper, pretty good for the most part. Yeah, just got to get some wear in it. Give me a good old purse insert. And I can see myself really wearing this. It's so cute. So cute. And they usually say, you know, the one side is like regular and then it's backwards. That means they use, you know, the material and, you know. So one's one way and one's that way. So that's one way to make it look a little regular degular. But yeah, y'all, this is my LV monogram Speedy 30. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!